welcome back to my channel. And on this episode of A Little Taste of Peru, I'm gonna be making a typical dish called papa a la huancaina. This is a very typical Peruvian dish. It's mainly served as an appetizer, but you could also have it with your entree. So it's really up to you. Now, I know papa la huancaina is a very hard name sometimes to say, but what it really is, it's potatoes that have been boiled and then they have been sliced, and you put this cheesy, creamy sauce right over it. And it's just so good. I definitely want you guys to give it a try, tell me how it is, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. Okay, so let me go over the ingredients that we're gonna need for our creamy potatoes. We're gonna need saltines, onion, garlic. These are the yellow hot Peruvian peppers, okay? Potatoes, eggs, fresh cheese, evaporated milk, salt, pepper, and oil. So this is a very quick and easy recipe. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the next step that you want to do is that you want to put your potatoes to boil, you want to put the eggs, and you want to put the Peruvian yellow hot peppers to get boiled. Now the reason why we're boiling the hot peppers is because what we're gonna do is that we're gonna take the skin, we're gonna peel the skin off, and the only way to peel it off easily is by boiling it and letting the skin get real wrinkled. So basically what you have to do is that you just take out all the skin, just like that. And then what we're gonna do is that we're gonna cut this. And we're just gonna take out all the veins that are in here, okay? We're gonna just take all this out. From here, what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to put it in a pan, and I'm just going to fry it a little bit so it could get a little crunchy before I put it in the blender. All right, so next, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna turn on our pan to medium to high heat. We're gonna put some oil in there. So this is the red onions that I had, and what I did is that I just cut them up. We're gonna put them in the blender, so I didn't cut them too small, just small enough so it could be easy to blend. And I'm gonna go ahead and toss that in my pan. So let's toss that in. Let that just cook there for a little bit. Gonna add the garlic. Again, very easy, not complicated at all. But at the end, it's gonna be very delicious. So, I don't know if you guys could hear it or not, but now it's just sizzling, which is what we want. And I'm gonna put the hot peppers in and let those flavors just combine. Now from here, I'm personally gonna put a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna add the pepper. This is exactly how we wanted it. Looks really good. And we just want to do this until the onion crystallizes or becomes transparent. See how the onion is now a little bit lighter? So it's a little bit more transparent, which is exactly what we want. And this is pretty much done. Okay, so from here, we're gonna take our mixture and we're gonna put it right in there. And make sure every little piece goes in there. And then from here, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna add our cheese. We're gonna add our milk. And as you notice, I don't put everything in at once. So we're gonna blend it and then add the rest of it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're gonna add the crackers. Add more milk to this. Okay, I'm gonna finish putting everything in there. It's very creamy, so I'm gonna put a little bit more milk, which is the last of it. Okay. This is perfect. So this is the texture that I want it. And as it sits out, it's gonna get even creamier, which is exactly what we want. So just remember to taste it to see if it needs any more salt. I went ahead and I tasted it and it's exactly the way I want it. So now I'm gonna show you how to put this dish together. If you like, you could dress it up. You could put like a little lettuce just to make it look pretty. And then you're gonna take your potato and you're gonna slice it. I like to slice it into 3 pieces. Okay? And then you'll put it like that. Just like that. So we're gonna put that right over it. And just like so, you want to coat all the potatoes. And then we're gonna take an egg. I already cut this one in half, and then I'm gonna cut it in half again. And I'm gonna put it just like that. I'm going to dress it with a little parsley leaf right on it. And my final touch, we're gonna add let's put it right here, little olive. Here's the papa a la huancaina. Let's go ahead and have a taste. And like I had told you before, eventually the cream, as you know, stays out or you keep it in the refrigerator, it's gonna get much thicker. And look at it, it's so delicious. So let's see. Now guys, keep in mind, this is a cold dish. So you're supposed to, you know, if you're making it the night before, just keep it in the refrigerator, it's no big deal. It's a cold dish and it's so good. I mean, you could, the sauce is like, it's like, you know, it has cheese in it, but you don't know exactly what it has. And then in the background, it has like a little kick to it. It's just so delicious. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna love it. Definitely give it a try. It's gonna be something totally different, something totally new, but it's something that tastes really good. Anyways, as always, please don't forget to sign up and subscribe, and also, you know, make sure you guys hit that little bell so you guys could get notifications whenever I post new videos. And until next time, I'll see you. Bye.